Hi guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to make WIX page shorter. So this is super simple. You have to go to your WIX editor page first. After go to WIX editor page, you have to go to the bottom to the footer, and here you can see the footer. You have to click on this ons, and then you'll find here this one, adjust footer height or double click to extra space above. You have to just click on and hold and up move your up mouse onward this, and if you downward it will be increase, if you onward it will be increase, sorry, it will be decrease, if you downward it will be increase. Okay, so this is how you can do this, guys. If you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.